Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word jurisdiction. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The case fell under the jurisdiction of the federal court because it involved a violation of interstate commerce laws. Jurisdiction refers to the official power to make legal decisions and judgments within a specific area or over a particular group of people. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.